think you should call it quits, bub. Just take a break. They say so you don't have a heart attack, do a little bit at a time and take a break.
Yep. Okay, so here we go.
Oh, you're not going to go backwards?
Huh?
Go
No,
backwards.
I'm coming right across.
Oh, no.
Here I come.
Your glasses again.
Oh my goodness. We gotta get through this. Here we go.
You're so silly.
Whew, I made it. Okay. We had a request to know how deep it is, so the only way we know how to test it is Lori's way. So, we'll figure out how deep the snow is again. You guys ready? You ready for this? Okay. Here we go.
Backwards this time?
No. Ready? Find out how deep it is. I think it's over 3 foot. We'll see. Oh my gosh, it takes my breath away.
Oh, it's not recording.
You're kidding, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Ah,
You look like the abominable
done.
snowman.
I'm done. My face hurts.